Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can limit the charge on your iPhone to 80% in order to improve and prolong your battery life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also write your comments, be sure to put your likes. And let's get started. So, if you want to extend the performance and service of your battery, then there is a good option. You will be able to limit the charge of your phone to 80%. Which means that your phone will be charged to the maximum of 80% instead of 100%. Due to which the performance of your battery will improve and last significantly. To do this, we need to go into the phone settings. Then scroll down and find the battery setting. After that, you need to go to battery and charge status. And here you can find the charging optimization section. On my iPhone, unfortunately, this section is not available because I have an older model. But if you have a newer model of iPhone, for example, 15, 14, 13, then you can easily find the charging optimization section. And if you go to that section, then you can turn on the 80% limit. And that's all you will need to do in order to limit the charging for better battery performance. If you don't have that feature, if you have a model like I have an iPhone 10, then you can just turn on battery optimization, which will also help your battery and also help your battery last longer. That's the way you can limit the charging to 80% in your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to put likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.